Would you like your vitamins fried, poached, or deviled? Eggs, nature's multivitamins, are a rich source of all the nutrients essential for the human body. In Pakistan, each one of us consumes 69 to 70 eggs a year. In developed countries, the standard requirement for each person is at least 250 eggs a year. The reason for low consumption in Pakistan is a lower access to fresh, reliable eggs that are healthy and germ-free. Wahdat Poultry Farm took up the initiative to provide consumers in Pakistan with options they never had. The ISO 22000 and HACCP certified farm fresh eggs are an initiative to provide you with the first ever designer eggs in Pakistan, which are nutritious and energetic. The omega-3 special and the vitamin enriched golden eggs. Our two-layer houses are designed with equipment from German poultry implements giant, the Big Dutchman, including a completely automated system. The system involves minimal human contact with birds and eggs to reduce contamination and disease risks. The reduction of human contact is managed through a state-of-the-art computerized technology. The system is refined to such an extent that even if the farm is not visited by a single employee in 24 hours, the automated feed and water delivery, manure removal through conveyor belt, and collection of eggs would proceed as per schedule without any delay. Utilizing the benefits of integrated agro farming, the feed is cultivated by the farm itself and consists of natural grain rich in protein. The internationally standardized feed is completely food grade and free of any toxic or harmful chemicals. We do not utilize animal protein resources to keep the quality of our eggs 100% natural. The system ensures a clean, temperature-controlled, healthy environment to the birds. The feed and water distribution system is designed with an innovative technology that ensures minimum loss and maximum hydration for the birds. We make sure that the environment within the farm remains clean and hygienic at all instances. Once collected through the safe, automated collection system, farm fresh eggs are marketed and distributed through our own channels, ensuring the highest level of freshness and quality. Our client base includes some of the finest names in food, hospitality, and the health sector. Farm Fresh brand offers 3 varieties of eggs in the market. The classic germ-free quality is offered as Farm Fresh Classic, a daily choice of eggs produced by healthy chickens in a germ-free environment. The selenium and vitamin-rich Farm Fresh Golden eggs have a yolk specially filled with essential vitamins for your body. While the yolks of our specially designed Farm Fresh Omega-3 eggs are enriched with Omega-3, a naturally occurring body cell booster fatty acid. Omega-3 provides energy to body cells, especially those in the heart and brain, reducing the risk of disease. Each yolk contains approximately 250 milligrams of Omega-3. This increases the energy consumption and assimilation within the body through eggs. The more than pure, farm fresh eggs offer an exceptionally healthy alternative to each consumer. For your health is our priority.